Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to invite to Zoom meeting. So that will make your meeting secured. But how? By inviting people by your link, you will guarantee that they are the only ones that will be on your Zoom meeting. So actually that's so simple to be done, and here is how to invite to Zoom meeting. So first you just need to you just need to sign in or sign up to your Zoom account, and then you need to schedule Zoom meeting. Here you can fill all the blanks. Here you can type the event name and to choose the duration of the meeting and the date from to. Here you can choose the repetition of the meeting every weekend or every day or anything, and here you can add the invitees. That's the first solution. From here, if you have the attendees on your Zoom, you can add them right here. Uh, Anyways, there is another solution and the simple one. Once you are finished, you can go into this button below, this blue button, save, and click on it, and then you will get that link. So by copying that link and you can't paste it, you need to pass that link to the ones that you want to invite to your Zoom. And guys, you can send that link by an email or on the social media, WhatsApp, Instagram, and you can also use Telegram, etc. So that's how to invite to Zoom meeting, and that's the end of the video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.